Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top cat themed coins by market cap under 10 million. We're not going to be taking a look at MEOW because MEOW is already at $500 million, right? So its potential for growth is not as much as a coin that is like, I don't know, 5 million, right? Versus a coin that is at 500 million market cap. Not saying it can't go any higher, but I think it's better to look for a lower market cap coin. Anyway, because we're technical analysts, so we have the strength, the edge on our side, because we're not dependent on narrative, we're dependent on the charts. Anyway, we're going to start with under 10. Okay, pajamas, we just did it yesterday. Go check it out. Real SMURFCAT, we did love yesterday. We're going to do SMURFCAT, Kira, Kitty, TUX, BCAT, DACAT, GMEOW Cat, OKY, and then we'll end it with CATFISH at number 10. Let's get straight into it. SMURFCAT, ooh, okay, the first one is really looking really good. So for SMURFCAT, there's a very nice squeeze. Can you see this? Can you see this, boys and girls? Hey, hey. So from the top of A to the top of C, it took 136 days. So I'm going to assume that this is going to take another roughly 136 days. So it could be July, you see, before anything happens. Right now, it's only April, right? May, June, July. 3 more months before we see any sort of a progress, but I'm liking what I'm seeing so far, and we are in a correction. We're dipping down. If anything, this is a wave C. A, B, C. Woohoo! We kind of like what we see. So the question we want to ask is, where is the low? Where is the low? So the answer is, we're not too sure. Is this the low? I don't think so. Let's say, for example, right, when the real SMURFCAT was dropping over here, right, and you see a rally say, is this the low? We're not sure. Eventually, it turned into 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 towards the downside. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's another wave lower. I think we're going to sweep the lows over here before reversing back up. How will we know if it's the bottom? Yeah, you see buying pressure coming in. Zip, 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 zip. Buy, buy, buy. There's a very small little retrace. Continue higher, higher, higher. So I suspect we could be getting something like this. Or we could be getting something that is more, you know, sideways. Right, May, June, then after that July, we come back up. And then bam, August, we go parabolic for real SMURFCAT. It's only at 7 million market cap. So its growth potential is actually there. And we actually have a target for it. Ta-da! The target is actually at 1,004. Right now, we're at 780. So this could be a pretty rewarding trade. I mean, if things go well, right? Let's say, for example, we take these lows and we make a move under these lows and things really look good for SMURFCAT. And if things go really well, right, as planned, then this could be a 2,700% type of a move. So again, we are not too sure yet at this point of time. We are hoping that things will turn out the way we expect it to. Right, again, there's a shooting star here. So I think that we're probably going to drop lower, sweep these lows, and then curve back up. That's the expectation. So we're going to have to wait and see how it goes. But I kind of like what I see for SMURFCAT. Next would be Kira, the Injective Cat. So Injective is not available on DEX Tools. It calls himself, I mean, DEX Tools is supposed to be a decentralized exchange charting website, but it doesn't have Injective. That's funny, right? Even Gecko Terminal by CoinGecko doesn't have SMURFCAT. However, there's one website that has it. DEX Screener has Injective. So you see here, Injective. And yeah, we have a chart for Kira, the Injective Cat. It's on Dojo Swap. Anything for us? Nope. Sadly, there's nothing for us. Right? If let's say, for example, it was much higher, right? And yeah, this could be nice. This could be something, right? But it's not, right? It's not like this. So yeah, it's just different. Anyway, we're gonna have to move on from Kira. Kitty Inu. Let's go to Kitty. Here, Kitty, Kitty. Kitty Inu is at 2 million market cap. Woohoo! Anything for us for Kitty Inu? Nope. It had potential though, right? Again, if you don't see this, right, just don't see this. You'll see that there's a potential over here, right? A, B, C, D, E. The moment we take out these lows, we just move on from that particular coin. So that's why for SMURFCAT, it's very important that we do not take out the bottom of a Because once you take it out, that's it. It just turns into something else. Magicaltux. Let's look at TUX. TUX is, where's this? This is TUX. TUX is on optimism. Ooh, we like what we see on TUX. Okay, so for TUX, there are only two outcomes. First outcome is, okay, we're expecting to. Doesn't mean it's going to happen the way we expect it to. If things go well, right, the two ways it could go well. First way is for Magicaltux to drop a little bit lower. Right, we're probably going to sweep these lows. If we do drop, then this will complete a very nice ABCDE. Right, if it doesn't drop, then this whole thing could be something like a cup and handle as we break higher. How much higher could we break to? 2 cents. We're expecting 2 cents, but again, no guarantees. We would love it if Magicaltux could drop lower. Best case scenario is we drop a little bit lower, reverse back up. Again, June, July, the timeline should be the same as SMURFCAT. And after that, pump, we go higher. Best case scenario, but of course, we can also go up from here. So we're going to have to wait and see how it goes for Magicaltux. BananaCat, BCAT. Here we are for BananaCat. So many cats with the same ticker, BCAT. Anything for us? No. Okay, this was a nice move that came. Okay, if you look over here, right, it's a very slanted type of not exactly textbook perfect, but something like an inverse hand shoulders, right? Something like that. And it's really broken out. And there's a deep retrace over here. There's a shooting star. That means that there's selling pressure coming on for BananaCat. And yeah, it's just turning into something else. DACAT. DACAT. What's happening with DACAT? Here we are for DACAT. DACAT. Okay, nothing for us. We're going to have to move on with GMEOW. Meow. Here we are for GMEOW Cat. This is the one. 1 million market cap. Liquidity 79,000. Oh, look at this. And accumulation. Boom! Breakout. Again, the moment you see big volume, whales are already selling. But one thing we like about it is we might be consolidating here for the next leg up. See, it's only 1 million market cap. So could it be? Could it be something over here? Again, we're not entirely sure. So we're gonna have to take things one step at a time for GMEOW. Mooncat. The one with a helmet. Hey, this is Mooncat. I think we took a look at it previously. And Mooncat is looking pretty good, right? What I mean by that is we are above the skinny pink line. There is a very long consolidation that came for Mooncat. Let's just call it Cat. It's a very nice accumulation, right? Right under the skinny pink line. Broke the skinny pink line. Had a retrace. Up. Retrace. I feel like there's another one up here. Right. And Cat doesn't do accumulation, right? It doesn't do something like this before breaking. It just drops, hits the bottom, bam, new all-time high. Drops, hits the bottom, bam, new all-time high. So I'm assuming that we're going to palm and see a new all-time high. Could this time be different? Sure, of course. But yeah, in terms from a trading perspective, there's just no clear chart pattern, right? But every chart has its own personality. And you can see Cat token's personality is like that. Zip down, up, new all-time high. Zip down, new all-time high? Possibly. It's only 897,000 market cap. Onigiri Kitty. Okay, why? Here we are for Onigiri. Hi. Ohayo gozaimashita. Watashi wa neko. Where are we? Anything for Onigiri? Okay. If you look very closely, right? Very closely. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, out. Again, are we gonna get the same thing? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Bam! We go higher for Onigiri Kitty. Yes, no? Sayonara! Yes, no? We're not sure. We're gonna have to take things one step at a time for OKY Catfish. Let's go, Catfish. Okay, Catfish is another cat theme coin with a very, very, very high quality squeeze. Super high quality. Can you see this? It's super high quality. Super high quality. Everything lines up perfectly, right? Everything lines up perfectly. This is just too perfect for me. I suspect there could be some whale shenanigans over here, right? Look at this. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Bro, sis, I feel like a big breakout is coming on for Catfish. This is almost textbook perfect to me. It looks too perfect to me. But anyway, let's say for example, things go the way we expect it to. Ta-da! We have a target over here. 2 freaking cents. The target is, it's a lot. Okay, now we're at 6517. This could be a 3000% trade. 3 freaking thousand. Okay, this is quite a lot. 3000. Will we get it? Again, we're not entirely sure. But we kind of like what we see though. I suspect things are not going to be so simple, right? I suspect there could be some weird shenanigans along the way. But this is too perfect for me. It's perfect. It's a perfect symmetrical triangle. So if anything, I would say that Catfish is poised for a big move up. 3000%, yo. 3000. What? It's just insanity. If you have 1,000 over here and things go well, it's 30,000 in the back. 30,000, right? It's a 30x, 651,000 market cap. So 0.651 times 30. 20 million. You think it's possible for Catfish to go to 20 million market cap? Yeah. Yeah, of course, it is. Woohoo! Looks good, huh? So that's our take for Catfish. I think it's gonna do well though. I don't know, we'll see. We shall see. Trading is risky, right? And you have to take the risk. You just don't know whether it's going to turn out well or not. The condition that Catfish fails is that we take out the lows over here. We could still zip lower, and this could still be a valid squeeze. So I'm just going to remove the support line over here so that keep things in perspective. So I suspect that things should do well. It's just that maybe there could be some detours along the way. But as long as we hold the low over here, I think Catfish is going to do very, very, very well. So there we go. That's our take for the top 10 cat theme coins under 10 million market cap. And if you have yet to see it, we actually did the Solana meme coins, and you should go check it out if you haven't yet. So see you in the next one. Ta-da!